My dear viewer, today we discuss how can make very interesting and impressive investigatory project. Do you know that in investigatory project the first page is called front page, and in front page first of all the school name, their logo, session, and after that your class name, roll number, it will be board roll number, and after that topic, and finally in the bottom line submitted by and submitted to. So these thing must in front page. Beside this you can be added if you want something, but at least these thing is must. After that the second page. Second page is the preface, and you know that what is the preface. In preface you say about the project and why project is necessary for CBSE class 12th, what help, what knowledge, what thing be found and increase with making the investigatory project. Page number 3rd, it is the usual column. In writing anything, that is the acknowledgement, and all the thing which is necessary in acknowledgement you must give in this page. After that the 4th page, this is the certificate. In certificate you can certify with your name, your internal examiner name, external name, their sign, as well as the school stamp and principal. These 4 things is must in the certificate, and this is the 4th page in a reference to the investigatory project. After that the next is the index. In index you can make which thing you can represent in a letter page, and the first point of the index will be introduction. Here we take an example of the cancer. So in introduction, first you introduce what is the cancer, its definition, and any interesting thing about the cancer. Means cancerous cell, property of the cancerous cell, and after that page number 7 will be the type of the cancer, and here we take the blood cancer, bone cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, and skin cancer. There are 5 different topic or the subdivision of the cancer, and you can explain each and every with detail. And after that 8 page to the last page. After the cancer, how can confirm the cancer, what is the treatment, what is the precaution, what is the therapy, and finally the most important thing. And if you do each thing very clear view in a described manner, then your project reach about 20 or 25 pages. At least 15 to 20 page is the moderate investigatory project. And another thing that is the must and asked by the your external examiner, that is the cancer is investigatory project. Yeah, because in last you can provide the data analysis. Means the data analysis of the cancer, they are spreading in UP, in India, and in world, and any new therapy, any new thing that can be investigated during this recent year, you can also put in this topic. And finally last is the conclusion and biography, and you can conclude. And I hope if you make in this pattern, in this model, your investigative project will be very attractive for your examiner. Thank you.